What if I told you you could have jewelry cleaner that doesn't make a mess, cleans your jewelry flawlessly, looks like a piece of art, and is sustainable? Hard to believe, but I'm about to introduce you to a game changer. Analucia Beltran Diamonds has created the most beautiful jewelry cleaner. And if you're anything like me, you enjoy the finer things in life, but you want to know when you're spending your money, you're making responsible choices and supporting female founders. This jewelry cleaner is going to change the game, because if you know anything about jewelry cleaner, this is what we're used to. Blue, it smells, it makes a mess, and you're lucky if it does half of a job. Blue goo no more. With Analucia Beltran Diamonds jewelry cleaner, all it takes is a couple of squirts, swipe of the brush that comes with it, and your cleaning cloth. Click the link below to get your jewelry's new best friend.